Welcome back. Today we will discuss a new world of internet that is already operating. You may be missing out your life opportunities as we speak by not participating in this new world of possibilities called Web3. I am actually surprised how little people speak about it, because in current cost of living crisis worldwide, this can bring many people from poverty into comfortable livelihood. The need for people to catch up with these stuff is huge. Web3 is already rolled out and have been here for a few years growing in the background. So if you don't know what is the new internet called Web3 is, let's dive in. This video will explain to you everything. Web3 is a term used to describe the vision of a new and improved version of the internet that's characterized by increased decentralization, blockchain technology, and user empowerment. It represents a significant shift from the current internet, often referred to as Web 2.0, which is largely dominated by centralized platforms and services. So right now the internet we are in is operated and controlled by a central organization or authority, which makes decisions about how the platform functions, what content is allowed, and how data is handled. Right now, user data is often owned and managed by the platform operator. We have limited control over our data and we need to always be subject to the platform's terms of service. There are authorities to moderate and control the content that users post or share on the platform. They enforce community guidelines and policies. Since all critical functions are managed centrally, centralized platforms are vulnerable to technical failures, hacking, and outages that can disrupt service for all users. Users on current internet may have concerns about the privacy and security of their data, as it is often stored and managed by the platform provider. Common examples of centralized platforms include social media networks like Facebook, X, or LinkedIn, as well as many traditional banking systems, where a central bank or financial institution manages transactions and monetary policy. In contrast, decentralized platforms, such as those based on blockchain technology, distribute control and data across a network of nodes, reducing the power of a single central authority and often providing greater transparency and user empowerment, which in contrast is safer internet, even though it may be portrayed to us otherwise. Key components and concepts associated with Web3 include 1. Blockchain technology. Web3 relies on blockchain or distributed ledger technology to create decentralized systems. Blockchains provide transparency, security, and trust, which can be applied to various online applications. Instead of relying on a central authority like a bank or government, blockchain operates on a network of computers, nodes. Each node on the network maintains a copy of the entire blockchain, ensuring no single point of control or failure. Blockchain has found applications in various industries, including supply chain management, healthcare, voting systems, and more. It's often used to enhance transparency, traceability, and security in these domains. 2. Decentralization. Web3 aims to reduce reliance on centralized intermediaries, such as social media platforms or financial institutions. Instead, it promotes peer-to-peer interactions and user-controlled data. Decentralization involves spreading decision-making authority or power to different levels or components within a system. This can help in avoiding the concentration of power in the hands of a few. 3. Cryptocurrencies. Digital currencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum play a crucial role in Web3 ecosystems. They enable decentralized financial transactions and new economic models, including decentralized finance (DeFi) and non-fungible tokens (NFTs). Many Web3 applications and DeFi platforms use stablecoins as a way to transact in a digital currency that mirrors the value of traditional fiat currencies like the US dollar. Examples of popular stablecoins include USDC, USD Coin, USDT Tether, and DAI. These stablecoins are typically backed up by reserves of traditional currency or collateral in cryptocurrencies. 4. Smart contracts. These self-executing contracts are a key feature of many Web3 platforms. They automatically enforce and execute the terms of an agreement without the need for intermediaries. Unlike traditional legal contracts, Web3 smart contracts are written in programming languages, such as Solidity for Ethereum or Rust for Polkadot. These contracts contain a set of rules and conditions that, when met, trigger automated actions. 5. User empowerment. Web3 seeks to give users more control over their data and online identities. Users can own and manage their digital assets and have greater privacy and security. Web3 and Web 2.0 are likely to coexist for the foreseeable future. Web3 introduces new technologies and concepts, such as blockchain, decentralized applications (DApps), and user empowerment, while Web 2.0 includes the existing internet infrastructure, centralized platforms, and services. Efforts are being made to enable interoperability between Web 3 and Web 2.0. This means that users can access and interact with Web 3 applications and services using traditional web browsers and interfaces. Web 3 is particularly suited for applications that require trust, transparency, and decentralization, such as blockchain-based financial services, identity management, and supply chain tracking. Web 2.0 will likely continue to serve other purposes, such as social media, content delivery, and general web browsing. While Web 3 offers exciting possibilities, it also faces challenges, including scalability, usability, regulatory considerations, and the need for widespread adoption. These challenges may slow its full integration into the mainstream internet. It's important to note that while Web 3 holds promise for a more open and equitable internet, it's still in its early stages, and many challenges, including scalability, usability, and regulatory considerations, need to be addressed for it to become a mainstream reality. If you are not present on Web 3 by now, this is the time to begin getting familiar, and by doing so, put yourself into position ahead of some people. I have myself feel like I began this journey few years too late. But as they say, better now than never. For those of you who are looking to get into crypto finance world, as it grows enormously and more people benefit from it, I have left links to few tools that I found very useful when entering this sector. These tools operate between Web 3 and Web 2.0 and allow smooth transition of funds, for example. It is worth looking into it. Sign into those services and begin from there. I shall put more content like this in the future to allow people to stay more educated on those changes, which opens so many opportunities for people. So go ahead and sign in using the links below, and I shall see you on the next episode. Take care.